Hi students, today we are going to start a prose called Learning the Game. This lesson was written by Sachin Tendulkar. Do you love to play the game? What kind of the game do you prefer to play? Indoor or outdoor games? So many games are there. Do you have any favorite player in cricket? Yes, you may have Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Dhoni, etc. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting lesson which is about cricket. We are going to focus on only one particular person. Can you guess who is the player? That is Sachin Tendulkar, who have achieved a lot in the cricket world. The lesson is all about Sachin Tendulkar, how he has become extraordinary man. We have to just see about it. We will see
what are the struggles he had gone through to become an extraordinary man.
Let me give an introduction about Sachin Tendulkar. Before that, here warm-up question is there. Think of what you would like to do in future. Fill in the space. My goals, timeline, action plans. Let me give an introduction about Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age,
displaying a prodigious talent.
The world famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all times. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first to score double century in a one-day international, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket matches, in total scoring 34,357 runs. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning the Game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Sachin full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is known as the greatest player of all the time, not only the batsman as well as the captain. He made an impact in cricket from a very early age,
displaying a prodigious talent. What is the meaning of prodigious?
A very powerful talent. And also, he has scored more runs, especially 30,000 runs in international cricket. He is the only man played 664 matches. No one played that much match. In 2012, he was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He has entered his career in 2013 on 16th November. His prose Learning the Game, taken from his autobiography Playing It My Way. How did he reach to this level? Let us get into the lesson, Learning the Game. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games, I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied.
I also loved bowling. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets.
The first passage talks about his childhood, how he started playing cricket. He started playing in his early age with his colony friends. The ball is tennis ball. You know very well the tennis ball is very soft and smooth to play well. In the beginning stage of the game, we used plastic or tennis ball. He loved to watch cricket on television and in their games. We also watch a match on television whenever the IPL and the other matches, usually we watch on TV. He had two favorite players. One is Sunil Gavaskar from India, another one is West Indian legend Viv Richards. He tried to follow the mannerisms of his favorite players. What is the meaning of emulate? Emulate means imitate. So Sachin was imitate the mannerism of these two players. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied.
I also loved bowling. Compared to batting, the bowled a lot in the net session.
Next paragraph. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. He ran summer camps too. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp. But then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. I was 11 years old then. Achrekar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. In the second paragraph, he talks about school. He was studying in the New English School, Mumbai. His brother Ajit knew Sardasram Vidya Mandir School. It is very important and special school. It is known for a game of cricket. The greatest cricketer, Achrekar sir, was there. Achrekar sir was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. Even his brother Ajit knew that. He decided to take him, sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but sir only decided who to accept. Sachin was 11 years old in 1943. He went to him for the first time. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards were Sachin's favorite players. What was special about Sardasram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai? I already told you. Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. He gave more importance to the game of cricket and also he ran summer camps. In the third paragraph, I had never batted in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable, with sir watching me so closely. I failed to make an impact. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was a little older. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure, but for Ajit's insistence. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought, I felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. This time, sir agreed to let me join the camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. There were so many people around him. This is the first time he is going to play net. And also, sir was standing in front of him and he is going to make a first impact on the cricket, but our Sachin Tendulkar just failed to make an impact in the camp because he did not feel comfortable. Everyone was standing around him, even the coach also standing them. Sir told Ajit that he was to bring Sachin when he grow up, after some day. So Sachin was little bit nervous. He felt uncomfortable playing there. His brother knew that Sachin has a great player. His brother seen playing with his colony boys. His brother Ajit asked personally a second chance. He would play very well because of the crowd and because of you. He just failed to make an impact. After a thought, Sar was accepted. Sar gave second opportunity. This time Sachin is going to play. He is going to make an impact on the cricket. And also, Ajit suggested that Sar has to stand a distance and watch his play, so that he play very comfortably without any hesitation. Sar agreed to stand away and from him to watch his game, and this time Sachin played very well. Sar seen his talent and he accepted him to take him a camp that is going through at Shivaji Park. This is the turning point in his life. Here is life starts. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. So in this paragraph, Sachin was practiced at Shivaji Park. So he practiced 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And also he would come back in the afternoon and practice till the late evening. The schedule was rigorous and he would be exhausted by the end of the day. What is the meaning of rigorous? Extremely thorough and careful. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from his house in Bandra. So he had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. First few days, his brother Ajit accompanied him. During the bus journeys, both of them discussing nuances of batting. What is the meaning of nuances? Subtle changes in shades of meaning, expressions or sound. And also, Sachin was enjoyed these conversations a lot. Sachin and Ajit talk about the nuances of batting while traveling. These informations about batting served as a personal coaching manual to Sachin. Let us discuss short answers. What was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? Achareka sir let him join the camp on seeing his good batting. This incident transformed the life of Sachin to become a world famous cricketer. What sort of conversations did Ajit and Sachin give while traveling? They talk about the nuances of batting to Sachin while traveling. These information about batting served as a personal coaching manual to Sachin. Meanings: emulate, to match or surpass typically by imitation. Overawed, impressed so much that they are silent or inhibited. Induction, the action or process of including someone to an organization. Rigorous, extremely thorough and careful. Nuances, subtle changes in or shades of meaning, expression or sound. Other meanings: mannerisms, a distinctive personal gesture. Legend, famous person. Impact, a noticeable effect. Insistence, demanding attention. Scrutinizing,
examining closely,
exhausted, completely tired. Today homework is read the lesson and study 4 short answers, meanings, and poem paragraph. This is Achreka sir, Sachin Tendulkar, coach.
This is Sachin's brother Ajit.
This is the Sardasram Vidya Mandir school. Thank you, students.